indirect expenses. This is pretty much the same thing as in Sellerboard for Amazon. This is the place where you take into account your additional overhead expenses, as examples that I gave you in the beginning. Your accountant services, your, I don't know, photography services, virtual assistants. Maybe additionally, you have your packaging that you're buying when you're, packing the products, and maybe the warehouse rent or stuff like that. So what you would normally do is click on the add button over here to add an expense, give it a name, give it a value in terms of price, say whether it's a one-time expense or it's a recurring thing. Then you can check the box whether it's an advertising cost or not, because we will then transfer it to a separate tab in your profit calculations. You can apply a category to it, or rather place it in a category just for, so you can analyze categories and expenses separately. And then you can apply specific expenses to specific products, because if you're having a photo shoot, you are not applying this expense to all of your products, but just to the ones that you've shot during, the photo shoot. So yeah, these are the options to work with your overhead expenses.